We are the world's strongest brothers, Tom Stoltman and Luke Stoltman.
We opened the gym in Invergordon in the remote Highlands.
The weather here is unpredictable and you never know what's going to happen.
So we have teamed up with Zinsser to give our little gym the best makeover possible.
Zinsser AllCoat is self-priming.
It's super long lasting, up to 15 years.
We chose Zinsser for its reliable, problem-solving products.
So the world's strongest brothers have now teamed up with the world's strongest paint. So for durable, reliable products, please check out Zinsser.
Since starting my painting and decorating business, Zinsser has been my go-to brand for its reliable, problem-solving products that stand the test of time. For this project at the Stoltman Strength Centre, we've decided to use Zinsser AllCoat. It's self-priming, long-lasting for up to 15 years and scrubbable for areas that require frequent cleaning. AllCoat can be mixed in thousands of colours, which was perfect for this project as we could colour match the product to the gym's new branding.